Hey everyone! Welcome back to my HTML tutorial series. In this part 2 video, we'll learn how to add headings, paragraphs, and line breaks in HTML. These are the basic building blocks to structure your content on any web page, so let's get started. In HTML, headings are used to define titles and subtitles. There are 6 levels of headings, from H1 to H6. Let me show you an example. H1 This is H1 H1. H2 This is H2 H2. H3 This is H3 H3. H4 This is H4 H4. H5 This is H5 H5. H6 This is H6 H6. H6 is the smallest and least important. Next, let's add text to our page using the p tag. This is how we create paragraphs in HTML. P. This is a paragraph. You can write any text here, P. Paragraphs automatically add spacing before and after the text. You can write multiple paragraphs to separate different sections. Now, what if you want to break a line inside a paragraph without starting a new paragraph? That's where the BR tag comes in. P. This is line 1, BR this is line 2 after a break T. BR stands for line break and it doesn't need a closing tag. Use it when you want a small break inside a block of text. Let's quickly build a simple example with all three. Doctype HTML. HTML. Head. Title HTML part to title. Head. Body. H1 Welcome to my website H1. H2 About this page H2. P. This is a paragraph describing the content of the page P. P. This is another paragraph. BR here is a line break inside the same paragraph P. HTML. Nice and simple, right? If this helped you, make sure to like the video thumbs up sign and subscribe for the next tutorial where we'll learn about HTML links and images. Comment below if you tried this code, I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching and see you in part 3.